we just won the Chelsea Flower Show, the most prestigious flower and garden show in the world, and we won Garden Product of the Year just 2 months ago. But it's now out ready for retail. So what is it? Basically, it's got the DNA of our Vegepod range, the key DNAs brought into a grow bag situation. First one that you can obviously see, like our other ones, it's got our signature microclimate mesh to stop the pests, stop the harsh elements, stop the weeds, but also allow all the good stuff in, the light, the air, the rain. It's a zip bag. This time we've got added 2 zips, not just one like the old prototype model, so you can access it from either side. You've got a full foot of growing depth, just like the Vegepod, so it's proper growing, root vegetables are fine. A bit like the old grow bags for the potatoes, you can gradually stack it up and down. And then the other key DNA is our signature wicking technology. So we have a circular wicking cell, the only one in the world in a grow bag. We have all the wells there, acts like the Vegepod ones. Over 6 litres of water in the base. It should last a good couple of weeks without any water, with drainage and the wicking, and we have overflows in the top holes. On the bottom, unlike any other grow bag as well, we have got a super hard, sturdy base with drainage so that it can be moved around without any damage, despite what the surface is. We also have here really convenient pull handles. So obviously there's a bit of weight in this, and like anybody with pots, they're hard to move. We have now got beautiful pull handles that have been double stitched and double reinforced at the back. They can be clipped down. We have the clips to keep the access down. Last but not least, this is how it comes to a customer. A handy grab bag.